Hey, it's me, Cutie the Crafty.
Graduation is around the corner and I made this super cute gift. Let me show you how I did it. So here's a couple of the things that you'll need. You need 2 circles cut from foam board, some 4.5-inch wide strips, some design paper, and some 4.5-inch wide strips cut from poster board, some tulle. I actually got this on clearance at Hobby Lobby, some thread so we can make our own tassel, and some ribbon. We're gonna start with one of the strips we made from the foam board. I'm rolling it up and that will make it easier to manipulate. This is what it should look like. And now I'm flipping it over so I can add on the poster board. And this is where the tulle comes in. I'm adding some hot glue to the top and then I'm just gonna stick the tulle on and then I'm gonna start wrapping it around this entire piece. It doesn't have to be super tight. And once I'm done wrapping it, I'm just gonna add some glue to the end and stick it on. It should look something like this. You're gonna repeat those same steps for the other strips. And then I'm gonna set those aside so I can work on one of the circles. This circle will be used for the top. I just cut 2024 into it and now I'm placing some gold on it. I got my gold poster board from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm adding some of that tulle on the back and also some of that purple poster board. I really love how it looks so far. I'm adding in the center of the 0 and the 4. And I just decided to add some gold trim around the numbers. I do like how it looks like this, but I really wanted to add some flowers, so I went ahead and did that. The flowers that I'm using for the numbers are from the Dollar Tree. Once all our flowers are in, we can start creating the border for the circle. So I'm starting with this straight piece in the back. This piece is about 6 inches. I didn't wrap this piece in the tulle because I'll be using tape to attach the top piece to the bottom piece. I glued all the rest of my strips on and then I repeated this process a second time for the bottom. So I'm just using tape to connect the bottom piece to the top piece. I used 3 pieces of tape. I did this clear tape on the front and then I did masking tape on the back. You can use whatever tape you want because we're going to be covering up most of it. I'm adding in some of that purple poster board from Hobby Lobby to the top and bottom. And if you want to add tulle at this point, you can, but I decided not to. I'm adding the gold paper on the inside. And now we can start working on the top of the cat. I cut my square from foam board and I'm covering it with the purple poster board from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm marking a line at the center of the diagonal. And this is just a place marker to know where to put my letter. I decided to go with the letter M. I'm tracing it on top and then I'm just going to use my X-Acto blade to cut it out. Now I'm going to flip it over and add on some design paper. This floral paper is from Hobby Lobby. They have so many different options so you can really have fun with it. Now I'm just going to add some gold trim and some little gold beads. And that's it. I can add that onto the base of the cat. And now it's time for one of my favorite parts, putting in the gifts. I picked a couple of my favorite flowers from Hobby Lobby and I made a bouquet. I got this gold grad balloon from the Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna stick that on the back using some glue dots. I'm adding in this bear, a diploma made from money, some candy of course, and some money butterflies that I made. To close the cap, I'm adding a hole at the front, on the top and bottom, and sliding some ribbon through. And now I can create my bow. And last but not least, we're going to create the tassel. I just put all the thread together and then wrapped it with that gold trim. And then I just used a gold tack to stick it on the top. And that's it. Now you can move your tassel from the right side to the left because we are all done with this DIY and I think it looks so amazing. Don't forget to subscribe so you can always keep it crafty with me.
Thanks for watching.